What is up, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to install Dynamic Island for any Android phone. First of all, go into the description below. There'll be a script, one with ads and one without ads. Choice is yours. If you want to support me or not, feel free. But there'll be a Google Drive link. Click on that and download. Open it, and there'll be a few prompts like allow this to install. If you've already opened that, just install it. After that, open the app. So there'll be three buttons that you need to press to turn on. The test animation. First of all, there's Bluetooth, and then there's accessibility menu. Display of other apps. This one's probably the one that you click on first. Sorry, I went to the wrong app. Dynamic Island. Click on it. Display over other apps. There we go. And then our accessibility. Enable that. So it won't be covered by the status bar. Go back. And now you can test the animation. It's really that simple. Turn the feature on. You can rename it here. Put your name. And then press sure. Your name is updated successfully. See, now test animation. It pops in from the dot. You might not see it, but it's at the very top. There's a dot. And that is where it will be. So if I plug it in right now, it shows up. And if I get my headphones, my AirPods, it will also show up. Thank you for watching, guys, and there will be more features shortly, like music, notifications, recorder. Plus you can customize this one, so like dot from the top, like if you want to center it, how big you want it to be, how thick you want it to be. This is just like a day after iPhone released it in iOS 16 on the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. But I think it's a really cool thing to share with you guys, so feel free to comment on what you want next. I'll also be supporting the developer. He'll be also linked down in the description below. We're working on together and hope to make this for everyone. Thank you for watching.